Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned how to divide a decimal number with 10, 100, 1000. Now today we are going to start to learn how to divide decimal with decimal. So you can see our exercise 3D fourth question first part 7.8 by 0.1. So we have to divide 7.8 by 0.1. So how can we do the sum? You know that when if we want to remove the point, what will come down? 10. And if we want to remove this point, what will come up? 10. Now you solve it. This 10 can cut with this 10, and what will be left? 78 answer. This sum we can do with other method also. You can learn that also. So when we are dividing any decimal with any decimal, first of all we have to remove the decimal from the divisor. We can't divide any number with any divisor when decimal is present there. So we will remove this point. How to remove? We will remove this point one step further. Then it will simply come 1. If we are removing one step further, here also this point will remove one step further and it will come 78. Now 78 divided by 1 is equal to 78 answer. So you can do with this method also, you can do with this. That is your wish. Now we will learn how to divide any decimals with any natural number. So fifth question, first part, we have to divide 13.8 by any natural number. Now we will start division, long division you are doing. 6 2s are 12, 3 minus 2, 1. Now before taking this 8 down, we will put this decimal in the quotient. Don't forget this step. Now we will take this 8 down. 6 3s are 18 and your answer is 2.3. Now seventh part, divide by 32. Let us start to long division. First of all, we will go with 0 only. Before decimal, we will start division. So we can put here 0. Afterwards, this point you have to put here. Then you will take this 4 down. Okay. Now you can see it is not going. So 1 0 will come here. Then we can take this 8 down. Now 32 1 is 32 minus this 6 we can take down. Now it will go with 5. What will come? 160. Now 6. Now this 4 we can take down and it will go with 2 and this is your answer. Now in sixth question we will learn how to divide decimal number with any other decimal number. 2.46 divided by 0.6. So in divisor, first of all we have to remove the point. So this point we will shift one step further, then point will be removed and it will come simple 6 only. So here also we will shift one step further and it will come 24.6 divided by 6. Now further you know how to do. This is very easy and you will get answer 4.1. This is your answer. Now you sixth part, you can see 136 divided by 0.068. So let us remove the point from this divisor. So how many steps we have to move further? 1, 2, 3. If we will move 3 steps further, then our point will be removed. 68 point something, this 68.0 will come. So it will come only 68. 3 steps further if we have taken in divisor, then in dividend also we have to take 3 steps further. So here is the point already present, you know. This point 1, 2, 3. 3 steps we will move further. So these zeros you will put yourself and what will come? 136,000. Now you can divide this. It will go with 2 and these 3 zeros we can put here and our answer is 2000. Now last part of sixth question. The question is 3 by 80. You can see there is no any decimal present here. So we will start division 3 with the 80. So first of all it will go with 0 only. 3 minus 0, 3. Now here afterwards, here we can put here point, here also we can put here point. In decimal sums, we can put here point, and after we can take, now you can see it is not going, 0, 1 we can take here. Now one more 0, it will now come 300. Now it will go with 3 to 40. Now what will come? 60. One more 0. As many 0 you want, you can put after decimal. 600. Now it will go with the 7. 5, 60. Now one more 0 we want, you can take. Now it will go with the 5. And this is your answer. So in decimal sums, you understand how to put the point, and afterwards we can take as many zeros we want to get our remainder 0. Seventh question, write the following as decimal. Again this is same question, 81 divided by 25. So it will go with the 3. What is left? 6. Now there is no any number, so you can put here point, and here also you can put the point. Now you can take zeros down. So it will go with the 2. Now one more 0 if we want, we can take, and it will go with the 4. So here this is your answer. Same question, if you want to do like this method, you can do with this also. Already you learned when denominator we can make 100. It can go with 4. It can go with also 4. But will come down 100, and now easy to put the decimal 3.24. You can see we are getting the same answer. So you can go with any method and get the answers. So students, today for exercise 3D you will complete 4th question to 8th question. 8th question simplify also you can do yourself, and you can see examples also to more understand. And there are so many parts for your practice. So more practice you will do, you will get more confidence, more accuracy, more speed. Okay, so complete this all work today. Thank you. Have a nice day.